So again, we were talking about putting together a kaf and a vav,
Yeah.
and that you take the concepts of those two letters and you add them together, and you can see what they'll add into. So we talked about the kaf and the vav turning into a lamed. Now we're going to take them and join them to be a mem. But when we do that, we do it in a little bit of an imperfect way. Notice that the kaf has a equal amount on the top and on the bottom, but in order to turn it into a mem, you have to slightly make one longer. So you have to make the other. Otherwise, you get this.
No, no, you didn't. You didn't know the kaf is the same. The vav is what you make on.
A mem does not have the stick that goes down on that side.
On an angle, yes, it does. Yes, it does. And you did it that way. You drew it the correct way. I think it's the vav. I don't think it's the shorter top and bottom to the cup. I think it's the vav that makes it into a mem, leaving that space.
So, mem can stand for wound, moon.
What we were talking about, balmum, right?
So the word moon means a wound, something that is deficient. So, in order to join them together to make a mem, you make a little imperfection in it. You have an area where they don't quite join completely.
Right.
So the kaf and the vav with a mum turn into a mem. So,
I was saying before, when they say that the Israel, the word Israel is the Yesh Shiri Bo Torah, there are 600,000 letters in the Torah, but if you count, there aren't 600,000 because because a mem and a lamed, which should be counted not as two letters, but as four, according to that. And then there would be, if you took all the kafs and lamed and counted them as two letters, and not all the kafs and lamed, all the lameds and mems, and counted them as two letters, and maybe the aleph is as three letters, yud, and vav, then you would get 600,000. So, you know what I'm saying?
So maybe
don't jump to the conclusion and say, oh, God made a mistake. There's not 600,000. There are 600,000 if you know
maybe
what
when we get to Parshat Breshit, one of the things that we'll do is we will go letter by letter and try to. No, we won't count them, but we'll try to at least.
But on that note, don't laugh. Because why is a sofer called a sofer? What does sofer mean? To count. The original sofer knew how many letters were in the Torah. That's why they're called sofer. They counted the letters.
So
that's how you know that the middle letter is Gachon and all that, because they actually counted the letters.
You will notice that at the end of each parsha, if you look in any of the Chumashim, it will give you the count of words and letters in each of that parsha, and then assigned to that is a mnemonic, something for you to remember, and each of the things that you're given to remember has something that is specific to that parsha. So why don't we look at the end of Parshat Pinchas and the
art scroll, not in every one.
The art scroll.
No, here, I'm showing you. No, but you don't, because you don't read that commentary. Look, here.
And
the last
comment
in English on every parsha says Siman,
but I didn't know which they were taught.
Say how many psukim, and then it'll give that.
Sorry.
Read that. Siman, the last English one.
So kaf. So it has kaf samach chet psukim.
Kaf samach chet kasach.
And we take another word that has that same gematria. Lechalek, lamed chet, lamed kuf.
Okay, so talk about but they divide the land there, but not Flocha and everything.
Right. So this is telling you the laws of inheritance are in this parsha. Right. So la'ela techalek haaretz. This is how we're going to join, how we're going to divide the land up to the people of Israel. So the number of psukim has a reference to something that happens inside that parsha. The
left harmonic alludes to the, what is it? I just can't read it with my eyes. First it says, look, you start here.
So, in any case, I don't know what the second one is a reference to, so I'll have to come back to that later.